Hi friends, today we make Ridgeguard coriander chutney or pickle. Peel it just to remove the ridges, not the entire peel, and chop it into big chunks. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Saute them until you get a nice aroma. Now add garlic cloves and green chillies to saute for a few more seconds. Now add 2 teaspoons of peanuts to saute in oil. Now take this tempering without the oil into a bowl to cool down. Once cool down, add some water and grind it into a coarse mixture. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. In oil, add chopped Ridgeguard with turmeric. Cover the pan, saute them until they are softened. When the Ridgeguard pieces are more than 60% cooked, add the chopped onion and tomato pieces and cook them. Now we add tamarind, cook them covered until everything is softened. Finally, we add coriander leaves. Turn off the heat and cool the mixture down. The same jar that we used to grind the tempering and add Ridgeguard tomato mixture. Grind it into a coarse mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of oil in a small tempering pan and saute all the tempering ingredients until golden brown. Add this tempering to the Ridgeguard chutney in the serving bowl. Add in the rest of the cilantro and mix well before serving it with rice and ghee. You can preserve this chutney for a week in refrigerator. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.